All right, welcome again to Super 24 TV. Information will we see you. Information it will we see. Mamenchao na memo wakwaba. Emma Super 24 TV on YouTube. Agya Wusu The Gong kontonchinana. But Agya Wusu oka radio for omanante pa. Because omanante ane jese omaye adwuma of various radio stations pa. Agya Wusu ka ho. Agya Wusu anante. Agya Wusu aye adwuma with Nhyira FM twice. Na wase free ho. Eno na yedi nkyeremu no bro. Sisi Agya Wusu The Gong ordinary echere Fox FM ewo Kumasi. Me say okori place Mrantehene. Adekronta me ka say okori place Mrantehene na say Fox FM is now finding a subsequent and I say permanent replacement for Mrantehene since o free ho join some FM no. Mrantehene e free Fox no. Say football mo a nka beka say de na o tena mu no oye stop gap coach. Yes, sign up football for football expert in sign on beka no. And I say oye sit in. Yes. Radio the beka say sit in, but in the football lane terms in the OBTV aka say no or ba caretaker na say bibisa caretaker coach nti Mrantie every Fox no amanfo hold it down on Fox FM anajo program na but say there permanent wiase beni with Agya Wusu The Gong from Monday to Fridays. That is flyer. Yeah, Super 24 TV and Saka Agya Wusu no so are rolling it out. And who say or the cotton status nti any fire and so yeah share because you see or no one share to the status near the NHS say bibia confirmed say the gong or no and okori place and as on nebe work after say Mrantehene free Fox FM no nebe work permanently for now and yamana kwababa to Fox Kumasi Fox here one of the stations or mobile achieve na the gong no yejuma Nhyira FM ujai ko Dove FM ba Silver FM Sadineni Nhyira FM but right now going to Fox FM wish him all the best the blog man media me do see a share be bread the better for me ano yeah the bro onto this channel but also subscribe